Kublay pi baro kinigilonggi kubor bam dagasngi. UMLE kaliang persya nakaseng Kongres nakam bagris Saleng A Sangma ulawan ra kamat yakren batip haduk kanu ke sorkar kalalapi ke yingsa ki pulit bat ke Barrack ha ke jela barok kawe sya ke sorkar hayung darbar jong kamang tingka. Saleng A Sangma upan jubab no menteri ketenat kampo ying uba prestun tensong hatu ke sorkar kelas napan bahane ya ke yingsa bat ke jaka trikam jong ki pulin bat kat no ke sorkar ke lamang. Shushu UMLE na kambagre u yathu hador barmang tingka kalong kabe isen banyo ba kijaka sa ba jaka tre ki pulit haki kendong jong kajela kalong kaslam. Habapan pai ke juba balawan ra do Saleng A Sangma do ba prestun tensong bakmi ekatenat PWD Roads and Building upentip balamang san paulang ya kawai pakawai ke district barkin benpa bat maramot ya ki police quarter bat ki barang. Uba prestun uben rap ladap itu ya ki jingtei ki balajon habaro ki district bakin nak bantem ya kini ke jing ula kular nang penklan bat pentikna ba ka jaka sa jong ki pulit kandai ke bapiang. Uba prestun tensong habaya thu benya bat sngoth ba kani kadai ke badon kam kumta ke sorkar kala thau ya ke engineering wing la ka jong ka bala pentri kampura menta.
Of those quarters and the barracks which is still not yet renovated. If there is, how many? Which is still not yet.
Yeah. Sir, I think let me take a little more time to clarify on this issue, because the question was addressed to PWD building, not to home police exactly. So my reply here is, as far as PWD building is concerned, yes, repairing work is done, and this list has already placed on the table of the house according to the building register that we have. Then whatever small repairing takes place requested by the concerned SP or by the concerned DGP, then PWD building does that. But when we talk about the totality of maybe new construction or complete renovation or improvement of the existing buildings, that is being taken care of by home police.
Why I'm asking this very question is this, Mr. Speaker, sir. Our police force on the ground, they've been working day and night, and then some of their quarters and the barracks are not in a situations where they can even stay with the family, even stay with the team also. That's why, if in the future, if those areas can be identified and then given good renovations, I think that would, I would like to suggest at least identify the areas where the, sometimes in such barracks it's like a slum area. I have seen that one with my own eyes. So if that can be seen and then given a proper look up, then uplift all the facelift the any quarters of barracks where they are holding up. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, sir. So as far as building, PWD building is concerned, I've already replied. And now with the additional supplementary question raised by the honourable member, sir, during this current year, quite a number of reformation takes place in the police, in the police department. One, because after identifying and realizing that this is the need of the hour to improve the place, be it the police station, be it the police outpost, and be it the quarters in the respective outpost or in the respective district or in the respective police station. So we have created a separate engineering wing, and now the engineering wing is fully operationalized, headed by the executive engineer along with the assistant engineer and then the junior engineers. So now they are in place, and also we started working out, identifying those dilapidated buildings wherever need be. The estimate is being prepared, and I'm so happy to also inform that in this current financial year the government, state government has earmarked 50 lakh rupees each district, each SPs, to meet these challenges, which is on emergency basis, be it the barrack or be it the quarters or be it the offices of the police. So we are taking it up, sir, and I assure the honourable members and also the members of this House that we will further strengthen and we will make sure that the place where the police personnel up to the grassroots level is at least up to the standards.